Welcome to our Kickstarter, where counting dice just got rapid. After a long break, I got back into tabletop wargames. I love the hobby, the game, the community that I found. And alongside all the rules, I found there was one thing slowing me down: counting dice. It was a slow and fiddly part of the game, so I decided to fix it. Introducing the Rapid Fire Dicebox. Works perfectly with both 12 and 16mm dice, stores up to 60 when closed, and fits neatly into really useful boxes. Place it on your tabletop, it becomes the home of your dice during the game. No more piles of dice cluttering the table edge. This is the game changer. Grab stacks of 5 dice from the tray to quickly count and speed up your game. Need less than 5? No problem, it's quick and easy to do that too. Roll your dice, hit your target, eliminate your enemy, and then drop the dice back into the hopper. The dice box automatically sorts them into neat rows of 5, ready for your next round of combat. The Rapid Fire Dice Box fits seamlessly onto any sci-fi battlefield. Plus, there's an option for a terrain-only container to quickly level up your terrain game. Designed for FDM printing, the Rapid Fire Dice Box fits on a standard 200mm print bed, and the files come pre-oriented for optimal printing. If you don't have a printer, it's not a problem. You can back one of our physical box tiers, or you can buy from a merchant following the campaign. I can't wait to see the Rapid Fire Dice Box on your tabletop. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you pledge to support the project. Thanks a lot.